Hi, I am Imal Aswath. Let f of x equal to x power 5 plus 2 into e power x by 4 for all x belongs to R. Consider a function. Here f of x is a function and consider a function g composite f of x. It is given as g composite f of x equal to x for all x belongs to R. Then the value of 8 into g dash of 2. So for that first we have to find g of x, or otherwise using g composite f how we can find g dash. So condition is given g composite f of x equal to g composite f of x equal to x. So g of f of x equal to x. Now differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x, first g dash of f of x into f dash of x. Then f of x, g of x, we keep this one as g of x, so g dash of f of x. Next f of x, you have to differentiate f dash of x equal to 1. Now g dash of f of x, f of x equal to 1 by f dash of x, 1 by f dash of x. So this one we take it as 1, this one we take it as 1. Now we have to find, that is we have to find g dash of 2, 8 into g dash of 2. We have to find 8 into g dash of 2. For that first we have to find when x equal to 2, when x equal to, that is when f of x equal to 2, what is the value for x? What is the value for x? So for that f of x equal to, we know that the what function f of x equal to x power 5 plus 2 into e power x by 4. So here f of x, so f of x equal to 2, x power 5, the x equal to f of x equal to 2. So x power 5 that is x power 5, that is 2. When you get 2, that is x power 5, that is 0. If I put 0, then e power 0 by 4 is 0. This one 0. So sorry, e power 0 is 1. Therefore here 2. So when f of x equal to 2, that is the value of x is 0. That is if I substitute 0 here, what you get? That is 0 plus 2. So when x equal to 0, that is f of x equal to 2. F of x equal to 2. Next here we found that g dash f of x equal to 1 by f dash of x. So now we are going to find f dash of x. That is for f of x equal to what? F of x equal to x power 5 plus 2 into e power x by 4. So f dash of x equal to what? F dash of x equal to 4x power 4 plus 2 into e power x is e power x into differentiation of this one, that is 1 by 4. So 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 e power x. Now we have to find f dash of 0, x equal to 0. So f dash of 0, what is f dash of 0? That is 0, this one. Then e power 0 is 1, therefore 1 by 2. Next here g dash of 2. G dash of 2 equal to what is 1 by f dash of x. So 1 by 2, so 2. So g dash of 2 equal to 2. It is asked to find that 8 into g dash of 2. In the answer it is given as 2 also it is given. So don't forget, it is 8 into g dash of 2. So that is equal to 16. That is equal to 16. So here it is 16. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.